One of the most fascinating ways to start beekeeping is by catching a swarm. Swarms are how honeybee colonies reproduce. When a hive becomes crowded, the old queen leaves with part of the colony to search for a new home. During this stage, bees are usually far less defensive because they're focused on relocation. Most beginners start beekeeping one of two ways. They either purchase bees from a supplier, or they try to catch a swarm. Or more accurately, attract a swarm. Buying bees is predictable, and usually the fastest way to get started. Catching a swarm is cheaper and incredibly satisfying when it works, but results can vary. One simple technique many keepers use is setting up what's called a bait hive. This is usually just an empty hive box placed somewhere scout bees might investigate. Many keepers place bait hives 10 to 15 feet up near a tree line, where scout bees naturally search for new homes. Some keepers place a cotton ball inside the box with a few drops of lemongrass oil on it. The scent is similar to a colony's pheromones and can attract scout bees searching for a new home. Just don't overdo it. Too much scent can actually repel them. Sometimes it works beautifully. Sometimes nothing happens at all. That's just part of swarm catching. If a swarm does move in, the best thing you can do at first is leave them alone. Give the colony time to settle. Start drawing comb and establish themselves in the new home. Then you can begin normal hive inspections. For millions of years, swarms have been finding new homes on their own. All you're really doing is giving them a place to land. Beekeeping can look complicated from the outside, but sometimes the bees do most of the work themselves. Learn the old ways. See you soon, packmates.